Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A17, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover all deleted photos, videos from your recycle bin. Okay, if you want to recover your photos, you need to delete your photos or videos. For example, I need to remove my photo, and now I want to recover it. To recover your photos, videos, you need to open albums and here choose recently deleted. Great. As you can see, we have the information, the number of each photos and videos represent the days left until. Okay, so I need to tell you that all your deleted photos and videos will be here during 30 days. After 30 days, your photos and videos will be temporarily removed from your device without opportunity of recovering. So, if you want to recover your photo or video, you can see how many days it will be in recycle bin. So click on this photo or video and just click restore and restore. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.